Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had a request to do a video here on VGAC. It's a SPAC, and you can kind of see what it's done here in the last week, up $3, 22%. And the last month, it's up $5, or we'll just call it 46%. But this is created for the purpose of effecting a merger, share exchange, asset acquisition, share purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination, and not even to $1 billion market cap. But this is the for 23andMe. If you don't know what that is, 23andMe is a privately held personal genomics, and as you follow my channel, I totally into bingo, is what I call it, BNGO. I've done several videos on bingo. I lost track how many shares I have. It's always not enough, but it's a start. So I think, I don't know, 50 to 100 shares maybe. I'd have to check them again, but so totally into genomics on this channel. And biotechnology company based in Sunnyvale, California. It's best known for providing a direct-to-consumer genetic testing service in which customers provide a saliva sample that is laboratory analyzed using single nucleotide polymorphism genotyping to generate reports relating to the customer's ancestry and genetic predispositions to health-related topics. So kind of interesting stuff. The company's name is derived from the fact that there are 23 pairs of chromosomes in a normal human cell. And so those that you took those classes, you probably know more about that than what I do. And for those that slept through those classes, or probably know about as much as I do. So kind of an interesting one to research. Actually, the whole genome field is totally of interest to me, so try to study it whenever I can, but definitely need to do more. This is just kind of another view here on Bing in regards to the last week run-up. It's run up a couple dollars and changed in volume. And 23andMe acquisition, enter merger deal, quick facts. And this just kind of goes over the merger. Acquisition company sponsored by Virgin Group have agreed to merge through a combination of stock and cash financing. The business combination values 23andMe at an enterprise value of approximately $3.5 billion. And if you follow the genome and Kathy Wood, that could be a really big deal. Any genome company, I think, can be a big deal in regards to the future. The current shareholders of 23andMe will own 81% of the combined company. Upon completion, the combined company's securities will trade under the ticker ME. And again, it's headquartered in California. So it could be a really big thing, but again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just stating my opinion, just giving my point of view, and you need to do your own due diligence, do your own homework. I pointing out a couple websites here. This is just off NASDAQ.com, but you could type in the title and should be able to find it on Google pretty easy yourself. But do your own due diligence, and if you haven't hit the like button yet, that really helps out the channel to hit that, as well as subscribing. And still a growing channel. My next goal is to hit 500, and then on our way to 1,000. So I'm trying to shoot for 500 by the end of February. We'll see if we can pull that off here. I've had a lot of growth here in the just over the weekend, so had a bunch of penny stock videos, so go ahead and check those out in the library as well. But again, this is a special purpose acquisition, or SPAC, sponsored by Virgin Group, gaining almost 11%, or $1.47 in Thursday morning trade at $14.94. I currently don't have any of this one. I'm going to be watching it a little bit closer now, and might possibly pick up some shares, but we'll see what happens. Bingo is my top genome holder right now, so the transaction is expected to be complete in the second quarter of 2021. Upon completion of the transaction, VG Acquisition will change its New York Stock Exchange or NYS ticker symbol, and the combined company's securities will be under the ticker ME. So it should be an easy one to remember. 15 things to know about the 23andMe and the Virgin Group SPAC merger. Here's everything investors need to know ahead of 23andMe SPAC merger with Virgin Group. 23andMe is a consumer genetics and research company founded in 2006. It offers genetic testing to customers and uses that information to provide them with details about their health and wellness. The company also makes use of its information when developing treatments for genetic diseases. VG Acquisition is a blank check company created by Virgin Group with the goal of taking another company public. 23andMe SPAC merger with VG Acquisition will have the combined company trading on the New York Stock Exchange. This will have shares of VGAC stock switching to the ME ticker, and the SPAC merger also values 23andMe at $3.5 billion. It will provide the company with $759 million of gross proceeds. That includes $509 million in cash held by VG Acquisition and $250 million from a private investment group. The group founder, CEO, 23andMe founder are both planning to contribute $25 million to PIPE, which is the private investment in public equity. In total, 23andMe should come out of the SPAC merger with $984 million in cash to fund its operations. 23andMe current shareholders will continue to be the majority after the merger with 81% stake in the company, and the SPAC merger already has unanimous support from both companies' board of directors. So a lot of good things going on with this particular SPAC. So it should be very interesting. And of course there's nothing here on tip ranks in regards to being a SPAC, but you can kind of see what it's done here in the last month, and it looks like it started right about here last November. The SPACs usually start at $10, so it's been trading kind of flat here, and then about a month or so ago just started taking off. So I'm going to continue to watch this one. If there's any more of a dip or it gets close to the 13-14 range, I might pull the trigger and try a couple shares. We'll see what happens, but you can buy this one, as you can see, on Robinhood, so maybe that'll help run it up too. Maybe the GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, BlackBerry, and all the other ones will maybe go over to this one, just saying. So not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just bringing some stocks your way, some good ideas, and see if we can all make money off of them. And if you have any of this one, leave a comment and how many shares and what your cost basis is. That would be interesting to know, and what your thoughts are on this company and 23andMe. And if you want any other videos done, I've had a couple requests here lately, and I've been trying to work on all of those and fulfill the request, and so I've had some other great ideas. So again, this is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.